Hey friends, it's Sonia from Junk Monkey Paint Company. I hope your day is going good. Welcome back to my daily vlog. Today I'm going to serve you up some inspiration. I laid in bed last night and I was thinking about, boy, all the stuff that I've painted. I've been painting for over a decade, doing furniture and decor and more, and pretty much anything I can get my hands onto. And I started thinking about some of my favorite things that I've painted around this time of the year. And maybe some of you guys were along on the journey when I did these. Tell me if you remember them. If not, because we go a long ways back, hopefully this will give you some inspiration, maybe some ideas. Yeah, these are just some of my favorite creations. And let me know which one is your favorite one. So this sign, of course, says, "Don't make me flip my witch switch." So this was a fun one to do. I just used Lucky Clover and Vintage White both on my paintbrush at the same time to create this really cool, easy blended look. You can do this on so much like furniture, anything. It just makes your background look really cool if you're doing signs, you know, versus one flat color. Now you've got a little dimension going on. Then we put the vinyl cutout for the words on the front. I'm doing some edging here and just doing a little bit around, yeah, a little like rough black velvet around the edging right here to give it that distressed, aged look. All right, who likes this one? So what's better than one pumpkin or two pumpkins? How about three pumpkins? For this project, I found these little wooden blocks at Walmart. I bought 3 of them and I decided to paint a pumpkin on each and make them part of a collection. These ended up selling. Boy, I wish I kept them to decorate my house with them, but I'm glad they went on to a good home. So I'm using some black velvet here to map out my shape of the pumpkin. And this one, yeah, I get a little crazy with it, and I even do some fabric on these to outline the pumpkin. So take a look and tell me what you think of the collection of 3 pumpkins, and is this your vote for your favorite project? This is an easy way to create some dimension, especially if you're painting pumpkins. Lay a dark color down, let it dry, take a scruffy brush and go over that with another paint color. In this case, I think it's blue slate I'm using, and then go ahead and take some vintage white and add some white. So with the dark, your color, your main color, and then with a little bit of white, you start to see some dimension with your pumpkin. And here, of course, we're gonna play with some stencils. And here's a quick tip and reminder that when you are doing stencils, take a moment to offload your paintbrush before you go ahead and stencil. It will keep your stenciling nice and neat. That's one of the reasons I love to use drop cloths below where I'm creating, because you could just kind of like swipe your brush over to the side a little bit and do your stenciling. stencils and paint and a little bit of fabric that really just gives it some dimension and texture. Love these. Love these. Oh my gosh. All right, the next one I did keep because I love this one as well. I love the colors that are in it, and it involves a crow in the moonlight. Okay, there's a moon and a crow, so I am all about it. Sometimes you just don't want to paint big pieces of furniture, or you don't have time to get into big projects, and it is really nice, especially these dark, cozy fall evenings, to sit down to the table and just get comfortable, take your paints out, and do some little projects, right? With other people maybe around the table, and sip a hot chocolate or something like that, and you have got the makings of a beautiful evening. Thanks guys for spending your evening with me a little bit here, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget, tell me which one was your favorite. Can you pick one? Bye.